how's everyone doing? So you all must be wondering that I have burnt a Expedite candle and I have kept here. But this video is not only about the scent Expedite candle. It's about a few things which you can do for poverty to go from your life and for abundance to come in our lives. And some of you might be having certain loans, certain credits outside. So for those credits to go away, for loans to get sorted, for your loans to go off, and if there is some money which is due to you which people are not paying you, because of late I only get these two mainly, that we have too many loans outside and some people coming and saying that we have a lot of money we have given to our relatives, to known people, and we are not getting it back. Okay, so one such thing is every Wednesday, on a Wednesday you start this candle. Now this is how the Expedite candle is. Okay, and what I have done is I have added a little bit of Expedite herbs, and it is made with Expedite oil. I don't know if you're able to see it or not. This is how the candle will be, and I have made it in the combination of red and green because it is for money and it is for money to come. Purely this is for money and not for other purposes. It has a web also of the Expedite. So on a Wednesday you start burning this, and every day you burn it for 1 hour, and you leave your petition to Saint Expedite that he is fulfilling whatever it is, whether you want money to come back to you, whether you want your income to increase, whatever it is that you want, you just intend that and then you burn this is, you start on a Wednesday and then you end it on a Tuesday, and offer him a pound cake or a normal plain cake as a gratitude, and feed it to people in need. Because, and then if this wish is fulfilled, before I forget, you should at least share this good news with 10 people or 5 people around you, because Expedite believes in sharing his deeds or his miracles by word of mouth. Now I want to take you all through a very powerful god, the Kaal Bhairava. Kaal Bhairava is the son of Lord Shiva. Most of you all remember I had launched something called as the Swarna Akarshana Bhairava candle years back, and that candle till date people pick from me, they burn it and then they love it. So Swarna Akarshana Bhairava is also one form of Kaal Bhairava. Kaal Bhairava is the son of Lord Shiva, and Kaal Bhairava is the creator, the savior, and the destroyer. So he has the power of all the three things. And if you see him, he has a Trishul, and his Vahan or his favorite animal is the dog. And in many places, that is why they say, if you harm a dog, then indirectly Kaal Bhairava will get angry with you and he will destroy your peace of mind. This is what it is said. So now coming back to Kaal Bhairava, he loves dogs, so that is the reason many people who grow dogs in their house keep the name of the dog as Bhairava. There is a lot of ways, there's a lot of strict ways Kaal Bhairava is prayed. Now he is prayed on every Tuesdays and Fridays mainly. Now on those days, if you want, you can even fast and pray, but I don't go by fasting. I don't teach people to fast and pray, because I feel if with heart if you call the God, then the God will definitely come and be there for you. Yes, there is a small modality which I will be teaching you all through, with which you can pray. Kaal Bhairava, not sometimes, you feel you are stressed out financially, you feel someone is harming you, just say, "Oh Lord Bhairava, oh Kaal Bhairava, come and help me." It is said in the books that Lord Shiva, when he gave him the form of Bhairava, it was said that whenever anyone calls on you, you need to go there and save them immediately. And if anyone harms dogs, then you can teach them the lesson also if you want. So he is a person who will save you from crisis, who will save you from issues, who will help you financially to come out, who will protect you. But at the same time, if you are harming a pet, specifically a dog, he might even come and destroy you. So on Tuesdays and Fridays is something which you can pray. He likes vadas. Now I still remember in my Diwali workshop or my Magical Money workshop, when I had said about vadas, they said, "Pinky ji, should we make dal vada, or what dal vada we should make?" Any vadas, basically he likes vadas. So you can make some vadas and keep for him. Bananas is a must, so keep some bananas in front of him, make some vadas and keep in front of him. Also, one thing which I always do is I take Kacha Kapoor. Now Bhimseni Kapoor is not the Kacha Kapoor. Kacha Kapoor comes in tablet forms, so I take, and in South it's called as the Pacha Karpura, basically. and in north it's called as the kacha kapoor. So it's a camphor, it's a form of camphor, but it comes in camphor tablets. So you take a little bit of camphor tablets, pound it nicely, okay, pound it nicely. In that add one box of Gorachan, Gorachan. Gorachan again is easily available in all the puja stores nowadays. And in that you add a little bit of ghee, just half a teaspoon of ghee and half a teaspoon of honey. Mix it nicely and keep it in front of him, okay? And pick up from the same puja stores, Punugu, Punugu. It is very, very famous. Now, if you don't have Kaal Bhairava's photo, I would suggest take a small printout of it where he has his trishul and everything. And in that photo, apply this punug a little bit because he loves smell. Now, people in Bombay and Delhi sometimes come and tell me we don't get punug at all. Pick up any attar, a beautiful or a, not beautiful, beautiful is the wrong word, a very amazing smelling attar. Pick up the attar and apply it on his photo because he loves perfumes. Okay, so you apply it on his photo, you keep bananas, you keep the vadas, you also can keep oranges if you want, and then you make this small mix which I have told you in front of him on a Tuesday. Preferably pray to him in the evenings, okay, or they say the Jupiter aura is good for him, the Guru aura is good for him, but if you want you can even pray in the evenings because I believe evenings after 6:37 when no one disturbs you, that is the time you should pray. Put on the Bhairav Gayatri mantra, not the normal Gayatri mantra. In YouTube, you get Bhairav Gayatri mantra. Yes, before I forget, one lamp is a must. Ghee ka diya, a ghee lamp is a must. It can be any lamp. You can, decide whichever lamp you want. So burn the ghee ka diya, keep all the prasad and the offerings, and in front of him sit there. Put on the Gayatri Bhairav Gayatri mantra. Okay? Now let it, run in the background. Talk to him. Tell him what it is that you desire, and I'm sure, and I'm 100% sure, he's just going to love it and he's going to come and bless you. Okay, now after you finish the prayers and everything, you can have this vadas. Usually people who fast, what they do is they break their fast only with whatever prasad they keep in front of Bhairava. They don't eat anything else throughout the day, and if they want they have milk or juice, but they don't eat anything else. But I always don't follow fasting, so that is the reason I'm not telling you to fast. But on Tuesdays and Fridays, make it a point to do this regularly, and you will see how beautifully your financial condition is changing and how you start getting income. Because when I brought, as I said, I will again repeat, when I brought in the Swarna Akarshana Bhairava candle, many people had benefits, but this is again a little different prayer which I'm explaining here, so follow that prayer. So now we are done with Wednesday, we are done with Tuesday. Thursday is the day of Kubera, and I have already posted the Kubera mudra with the Kubera candle, how we need to pray. You can do the same thing. Now those who cannot pick up the candle, just do the Kubera mudra in the evening between 6:30 to 8. Sit somewhere where you will not be disturbed. You should offer him some green color sweet, green color mithai, green color sweet, or green moong dal. You can boil it and you can keep it in front of him, and you can put the Kubera mudra for 10 minutes. You can even put in background the Kubera mantra, and you can sit to him, and I'm sure he's going to be happy and he's going to bless you. So Tuesday is done, Wednesday is done, Thursday is done, Friday. Friday is the day of Mahalakshmi. What you can do on Fridays is, in a small bowl, take some tulsi leaves, take some mehendi seeds. The mehendi seeds which you easily get in any of your provision stores nowadays. Take a little bit of tulsi leaves, take mehendi seeds. With that, take one handful of, or at least 2 teaspoons of sauf, which is the fennel seeds. Okay, take that. Take kumkum. Now those who have been with my magical money workshop, they know I use the screw pine kumkum. I don't use the normal kumkum. In south it is called as the talampu kumkum. So the screw pine kumkum is something which I use, and I use little bit of haldi with it. Okay, so now in a small bowl you will take all this. You will take tulsi. Tulsi, if you have your tulsi plant, take it from there. Tulsi, you will take mehendi seeds. You will take this thing, the talampu kumkum. You will take haldi. Okay, also if possible, put in a little bit of raw rice in it, okay, and put a 5 rupee coin in it. In that bowl you keep it, and on top of the bowl, okay, you burn a lamp, a ghee lamp. Every Friday you do that. Put on Shri Suktam. Shri Suktam, I have always said, brings in financial abundance. In the evening after 6 o'clock, put on the Shri Suktam. Make this as a habit on every Friday. Now let the bowl be there for the whole week. Every day, if you can burn the lamp in that, very well and good in the evenings. On the next Friday, completely discard this and make a fresh bowl, and then burn this lamp. And I'm sure Goddess Lakshmi is just going to be happy, and she's just going to bless you abundantly. Now these are few things for prosperity which I have been following for quite some time. In between I stopped after I shifted to the place, because I didn't have helpers, I didn't have maids. Now again I have started them, so I thought why not bring in a video and also take you all through this process. So Tuesdays and Fridays will be Kaal Bhairava. Friday will also be with Lakshmi ji, okay, and Wednesdays will be Saint Expedite, and Thursday will be Kubera. Now I want to do one more thing for Sunday. On a Sunday, take a betel leaf, pan ka patta what we say. In that betel leaf, apply sandalwood paste, preferably red sandalwood powder paste, not the normal sandalwood powder. On top of that, keep a little bit of raw rice. Okay, now on top of that raw rice, what you should do is you should take a lemon, you should invert that lemon, you should remove the juice, invert that lemon, okay, and in that put little bit of ghee and one elaichi, and put your cotton wick, the diya wick which you put, and you burn it in the evening at 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock, anytime you can burn. And when you're burning this, put on the Mahishasur Mardhini. Okay, now when you do this, abundance comes and money stays protected. Money will not go on medical expenses. Money will not go on unwanted expenses. So I think only Mondays and Saturdays I have spared you all. No, I have not spared you all. Monday, I would suggest, if you have a small shivling also in your home, if you can, give an abhishek to your shivling with sugarcane water, followed by honey, followed by coconut water, and followed by plain water, with chanting Om Namah Shivaya in the background, you will see how beautifully Lord Shiva is happy, and he's going to bless you multiple times. And on Saturdays, go to a Hanuman temple, come back, hear Hanuman Chalisa, donate something to the poor on a Saturday, and you will see, if you do these the way I'm saying every day, this one tip, life is going to be beautiful, blessed, health issues will not come, you will be protected, and a lot of prosperity will come your way. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, let me know. I would love to bring in our Vedic related tips also in the future. I'm just trying to see what all my followers and clients like, how all I can help you all. And if you want on any particular god and goddesses, even then you let me know. I would be more than happy to help you all. God bless you all. May you all have a beautiful and an abundant life. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and do leave your comments on how you felt this video was. Thank you.